Hey, it's Joel with the Training Center. Today we're going to discuss static pressure. First of all, why would we need to check static pressure? Well, before we charge our system, we're going to need to know our static pressure. As well as when we need to set our airflows, we need to compare that static pressure to the chart. How are we going to do this? Well, first we'll need to use our digital manometer again. We'll want to be on inches water column, and we'll need to check in two places. Those two places are after our filter and pre-coil. Now in the past this was very difficult. Getting a static pressure reading pre-coil was hard to do. We would either have to drill into our furnace or find another place to check. Now with our V-coil, we've already drilled a hole here in the side. Now again, when you do that, you'll want to have a nice cover or something to seal it when you're done. So first what we'll do is we'll take our negative side probe, and we want to go, in this case in our blower housing, as long as we're after our filter, we're good on the return side. Now on our supply side, again on the V-coil, we have a nice location here, pre-coil, to take our supply static. In this we're using a dual port manometer. Now they're nice because we can add our supply static and our return static together for us. However, you can also use a single port manometer. Now it requires a little bit more math. We'll talk about that on a video later. And one thing to note, you need to check total external static pressure on the highest blower speed, whether that be heating or cooling. Today we're measuring it in cooling. Make sure to go to My Learning Center for more videos from the training circuit.